So here we have a stealth bomber battery, and it's gone dead. You turn the bomber on, there's no power, totally flat out. So I've disconnected the BMS. You don't have to disconnect the BMS, but for what I'm going to do, I'm going to disconnect the BMS. So the BMS is disconnected. So these are cells. If you look down the side, this is one cell. Another cell, another cell, another cell, another cell, another cell, another cell, another cell. So we're going to charge these cells. How are we going to charge them cells? Well, we've got a LiPo balancer here. And we're just going to disconnect this battery. It's going to beep. Right, we took that out. We don't need that. So now we're going to go on here and find the right place to put it. I'm going to put it in the wrong place first, so this will tell us that I've put it in the wrong place. Right. So I'm going to go for this pack of cells, this cell here. So I'm going to go that side, the red, and this side positive. Minus. Right. So now we're going to go on here and it's going to have a check. It's going to check the cells now for us. And it's going to charge it up to the right one. If there's any problems, it will tell us here. So it's checking battery, so everything's okay. Up here there'll be how low the battery is. We need it to be higher than 3.7. Hang on, let's get it started. So it's only on, say it was lower than when it started, it was on 3.4. So it was lowered, it was in sleep mode, the battery was in sleep mode. So now we have to boost the battery up on all different 10 cells. This will keep you right, but if you go on the wrong one, that'll see a high voltage. If that goes on the left or the right, so you put them the wrong way around, this will tell you you've done it wrong again. So this is the first cell that I'll be charging. You can see it better on this side. So that'll be the first. Oh, so I've took it off, but that's the first cell. Let's get it started again. And you can see where it's had water damage as well, but the water damage hasn't broke the cells because this would have told us. But we needed higher than 3.7 to get the bike to start up, and the rest of will be 3.7. So we'll just check 3.7 on all of them. Why we got the battery in bits, because the battery's in bits, so we might as well just do them all. So we'll charge that one, and we'll just go through the whole lot and charge the lot, just like that. And we'll just put battery on one side, battery on the other, and you'll see the top of the battery. Usually the green bit on the battery is the top part where you put your red, and the bottom is where you put your black. But that machine will tell you there if it's reverse polarity. So I'll put this on wrong now, so I'll switch it around, so if you make a mistake, you know what's going to happen. Reverse polarity, right? But main important thing is don't bridge across there. So if you put some metal across there, if you go across there like that with some metal, you'll see the biggest spark you've ever seen. I'm not going to do it because it is pretty scary when it sparks, but that'll weld to there, and if it sticks, you're going to cause a fire and you need to get it out of your house. But this is dangerous. Don't put nothing on top of it. So don't rest nothing on there, just leave it so no one can put nothing on it. There you go. Thumbs up, good luck.